Use a Type-C data cable to connect the Vega to your computer. And after starting the StarVision software, a prompt will appear. Choose File Transfer to begin post-processing and more adjustments. Import your data to Workspace or Model Library. Find your data in Workspace. You can choose one-click processing or manual processing as same as the option on Vega application. Add your data by enabling cropping button. Select and delete data. Click Texture Display to hide or show the texture. Click here to orientate the original view. We provide multiple project alignment functions for you to combine different scan data together via the same feature or markers. You can choose an auto alignment or manual alignment. In the lower left corner, you can view data information including frame, points, numbers, scan modes. When mesh generated, you can choose copying to delete unwanted data. We also provide various mesh editing functions like texture alignment, simplifying, mesh smoothness, remote isolated surface, and fill holes. You can export it to your laptop with various formats like OBJ, STL, PLY, or share your model on Shiny 3D Digital Cloud. Thank you for watching.